Hi, welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Diane. First of all, welcome back. If you've been following me, you know that I have been a little bit away from the YouTube channel for several months now. I moved across the US. I got married. We went on a honeymoon. I started a new job, and it's just been so crazy. Time has just flown by, and now finally with my schedule settling down, I feel like I'm just getting into the routine. And so for today's video, I wanted to get back into it. I have a lot of really good content that I have planned. In today's video, I really wanted to share with you an unboxing of some pieces that I got when I was in Hawaii for my honeymoon. And I really wanted to do it because I wanted to show you guys what the price difference was between buying luxury pieces in Hawaii versus luxury pieces in the mainland US. I got two things from Louis Vuitton when I was in Hawaii, so I will show you guys those, and I'll show you the price difference if you're interested, and I'll kind of talk you through about my thoughts are, is it worth buying it in Hawaii or not? I actually just got my hair done last week. I had been growing out my hair because I wanted my hair long and curly for the wedding, and so I actually ended up cutting off maybe like 7 or 8 inches, and then I got it colored for the fall. So it's a little bit more red than what I was planning, but overall I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, let's get started. A little bit about the Hawaii trip. So it was my first time. We went to Maui, then we went over to Big Island, and then we went over to Oahu. So in Maui, it was like a very resort, beachy-like place, and they had luxury stores, like Louis Vuitton was there. So of course we went to Louis Vuitton, and I looked around. I really wanted to get something because I knew that the prices were cheaper in Hawaii. And so I ended up just browsing and shopping in Maui, but I didn't get anything. So then the next island we went to was Big Island, and there we just really did adventurous stuff. Like we toured around to see the volcanoes and the waterfalls, and then that was it. And then we went over to Oahu, and when I went to Oahu, that was like going to a major city where we stayed in the Waikiki area, so there were beaches. It was very urban, and there were all the regular stores, and there were even the really high-end luxury stores like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, like all the very high-end stores were there. And then so that is where I ended up deciding what I wanted to get and where I got my two pieces. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll start with an unboxing, and then I will fully tell you the prices and what I paid. And the receipt is actually inside this box, so I'll start with the other item first. The first thing that I got was this, and this is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. I was like kind of torn on like, do I want a wallet or not? Because I'm usually like a card holder person, but I ultimately decided I wanted a compact wallet, and this wallet is perfect. So this is in the monogram. You can see there is a shiny brass little snap button closure that says Louis Vuitton there. And then when you open it up, I've been using this since I got it. So when you open it up like this, there are 6 card slots. There are 3 on this side, and then there are 3 here. And then there are card slots here on this side, and then there's another card slot place on underneath there. And so this is in the fuchsia color. The other cool thing about this wallet is, as you can see here, there is a zippered coin slot. So in there, I just have my coins in there. And the other cool thing about this is there is a slot for bills. So you can see I have my bills down there, and it's actually big enough where you can see I keep my COVID vaccination card right there. And then it just kind of snaps closed. Here's what the front looks like, here's what the side looks like, and then here's what the back looks like. I have really loved this wallet. It's a compact wallet. I just think that this wallet has exceeded my expectations, and I think it's a great SLG. I'm actually planning on, and I will do a full in-depth review for you for this wallet if you're interested in this. This on the website costs $575. I'll share with you at the end when I open up my receipt how much I actually paid. So this was my first purchase, and then my second purchase, I'm actually quite excited as well. So I actually have not gotten it out yet. I've been waiting to film. So yeah, let's unbox it. So it comes like all the other Louis Vuittons. It comes, and then it comes in this dust bag. And what I ended up getting was this. And this is the MM Agenda. And this is in the Damir Ibn print. If you already watch my channel, you know that I already have the MM planner, and I have it in the monogram. And I was so torn because my monogram agenda, I got it off Facebook in a planner pre-loved group, and it's perfect. It works wonderfully, but I was like, ooh, the canvas was starting to harden. Should I get another monogram to replace it? And ultimately, I ended up going with this one because this is so classic. And also I wanted the option so I could switch between the monogram and this one. For all you planner people out there in the world, if you're a planner person like me, this agenda is it. Like, yes, I love this agenda. I love, love, love the MM size. That is my size because it fits in most of my purses. It's more portable than the larger GM size. I love that there's this little clasp button. So let me just zoom in. I'll show you there's a little clasp button there. Like I said, this is in the canvas, the Damier Ibn. And then when you open it up, like this is like a brand new, so it comes with these like protective sheets. So when you open it up, there are slots here, and then this must be the little, yeah, these are the little tags that comes when you buy the new items. And then you can see the really shiny gold rings. And then there's this flat back here, and then the sales associate just put my receipt back there. So this is, and then there's a pin loop here if you wanted to see what the MM agenda looks like. And then I will show you what the outside. So there is, let me just button it back up. So here's the front. Like I said, this is the MM size. Here's the side, like the binding, and then here's the back. And then that's kind of what it looks like with nothing in it yet. So yeah, this is the other purchase that I got when I was in Hawaii. And this on the Louis Vuitton website retails for $675 US. Now that I got my receipt out, all it just says like, thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton, and then it gives, you can hot stamp it. All right, so let's discuss the prices and the purpose of this video. So let's see, starting with the Victorine wallet. So this one on the website online, this retails for $575, and I ended up paying in Hawaii, I paid $515 US. So I ended up saving $60, which comes out to be about a 10% savings by buying it in Hawaii. And then for this MM agenda, this retails on the website for $675, and I ended up paying $590 US in Hawaii. So that came out to be an $85 savings, which is about a 12.5% savings. And then what really surprised me was not only because I saved money on the total, the tax rate was also lower in Hawaii. The tax rate came out was about like 4.7%. And then so I ended up only paying $52 in tax for both of these items in Hawaii. So overall, my thoughts are it comes out to be about 10% cheaper for items bought in Hawaii at Louis Vuitton compared to the mainland US. And so my thoughts are, if you were going to Hawaii and there was something that you really wanted to get from Louis Vuitton, I would say just wait for your trip and get it in Hawaii. If you aren't going to Hawaii, I obviously do not recommend booking a flight just to go there to get it, because when you take into account the flights, the hotels, the cost of living there, especially in Oahu and Maui, everything, food prices, hotels, everything was just really expensive. And so I would say it's not that drastic of a savings like if you were to go to France or Europe to get the prices. But if you're in the US and you're going to Hawaii and you want to get something from Louis Vuitton, I would say go ahead and get it because you're going to save about 10%. So that's pretty much it for today's video. It's probably pretty short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you really did, I would love to have you subscribe and follow along. Here I like to talk and do reviews on Louis Vuitton related items, travel related items. And so until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.